Don't you just hate to spend endless hours working on an AI for your game? Really? You too? Don't worry, I have a solution. I mean, today's technology can do so much. Just look at the self-driving car, your phone's speech recognition, Windows 8, and Google DeepMind. It can play any game just by the visual input. Crazy, right? And you know how it does it? It uses something called reinforcement learning. It simply tries to mimic the trial and error approach of learning. It's just like training your dog, really. You just need to give it a treat whenever it does something correct and let it know when it's doing something wrong. These simple rewards will define the AI's goals, as its sole purpose in life is to get as many treats as possible. There are many different methods to store and develop the learned knowledge, and one of them is the neural network, inspired from the human brain, which can learn to connect inputs and find patterns, where a simpler model is the feature-based method. This cannot learn connections, but it can learn extremely fast. But what is the product of this project, you ask? Well, imagine you simply had to tell an AI when it gets rewards, then put it into a game, go to sleep, and the morning after you had an AI that could play your game at superhuman level. Sounds great, right? Why program the AI when it can learn by itself? This product would simply let the user choose which kind of brain the AI should have, adjust some parameters of the brain to his or her liking, and let it go and experience the game for some hours. All you need to provide it with is information about the game world and give it treats now and then. Sounds too good to be true? Don't worry. Someone actually tested how this works. They just built this simple Pac-Man-like environment, threw in some people to test it, as well as an AI that was trained beforehand. This AI actually managed to do better than the human players. Just look at these graphs showing how much food was eaten in average for every episode. Not convinced? Look at the AI's win percentage compared to that of humans. And the best of all, it does it in no time. Unfortunately, the usability of using this lovely product was never tested, but just imagine what this can lead to in the future. Maybe you never need to program an AI again. Wouldn't that be great? Not only that, but this kind of AI could even be learning during gameplay. It could change gaming completely as we know it. Having the AI constantly adapt to the human player, giving a new experience for not only every game, but even every time you play the same game.